We've given our extra pumpkins to the goats. They're a natural dewormer, the pumpkin seeds. And then over here, as you can see, the babies are starting. Here's 2 right here. We'll make sure they're all in the barn this evening there. And then I'm pretty sure I seen, yep, there's several in the barn. There's 2 more laying there. Hello folks, family, friends. Today's Monday. Tomorrow is election day. And before you go to the election, I'm not getting into any politics. Just before you go, stop and get some gas in your car, truck. Stop by the grocery store. Look at the receipt. And then go cast your vote. Vote with your heart, folks. Just think about how times are right now and go cast your ballot. Thank you, folks.